Hey guys, I'm Karthik Vyas and welcome to Fantasy Football Funda. In this video, we are going to talk about the match between Jamshedpur FC versus East Bengal, and that match to be scheduled on 11th of January, and the time is 7:30. Venue will be Athletic Stadium, Panji, Goa. This is the basic info. But before going deep into the preview, uh, I would like to say some important things. Want to talk about important things that you can join our Dream 11 group. The link is in the description, so you must join that. I will share my small league team and preview and suggestions and all. So don't miss out that. And you can also join our Telegram group by searching Fantasy Fundas on Telegram, and you will find that. Or you can search like that in Telegram. You have to search like this Fantasy Fundas by Karthik, and you will get our Telegram channel with 306 subscribers, and you'll go to see our small league teams other than ISL matches and some like interesting stuff. So don't miss out that. Definitely join that. And now let's get back to our preview. Now when we talk about both the teams, then like after starting a decent campaign, but now Jamshedpur FC is struggling to get a win. But in the last match, they finally get a win against Northeast United by 3-2, and they won that match and get back to like fourth place on the table standings with 4 wins, 4 draw, and 2 losses. But now when we talk about the East Bengal FC, then they are still winless in this season. They haven't got a win. They like. Kept a clean sheet against one of the strongest side in this campaign, that is Mumbai City FC. So they played a draw against Mumbai City in the last match by 0-0. So like they are showing that they can capable of winning the matches. So definitely they will try to win this match, and uh, definitely will not climb the table, but get a win in this campaign. So that will be very important for East Bengal. Now let's talk about East Bengal table standings. Then they are on the 11th place with 6 draw and 4 losses in their 10 matches. Now let's come on to playing 11 of the Jamshedpur FC. Then they have Rehnesh TP is the goalkeeper, Laldin Liana, Renthalai, Narendra Gehlot, Peter Hartley, and Ricky Lalo Mauma as the defense section. Len Dongal, Alex Lima, Mubashir Rahman, and Boris Singh will be in the midfield section. And then they have Greg Stewart, Jordan Murray in the main striker section. So now let's talk about their playing 11. Greg Stewart is their highest goal scorer of the team with 5 goals and 5 assists in 10 games to his name. When we talk about the Jordan Murray, then he is not still impressive because of some injury in the mid games, and then he has done comeback, but he is still left to show what is capable of. So Jordan Murray will be a watch out player. Then we will talk about the Alex Lima. Then he has decent job in the midfield section. Done some interception, tackle, and some created some good chances. Now let's come on to defense section. Then Peter Hartley is a good probable choice because he has scored some goals also in the league, and can also capable of scoring some more goals and giving assist, and he has done some tackles, interception, and some decent points. Then second one, you can go for Narendra Gehlot, as he's very impressive in the defense section from Jamshedpur FC. So these are 4 or 5 are my core players, and some main players from Jamshedpur. When we talk about the free kicks and corner, then free kicks will be taken by Greg Stewart, corners will be taken by Len Dongal in the midfield section, and injury news will be Komal Thatal, as he is still unavailable for this match. When we talk about the SC East Bengal FC, then they have done some changes because of the long injury list from this team. So SC East Bengal will be playing with Arindam Bhattacharya as their goalkeeper and their captain. Amarjeet Singh, Adil Khan, Ankit Mukherjee, and Hira Mandal will be in the defense section. Then they have returning Jackie Chan Singh, Saurav Das, Wahingambang Agosana. Then they have Hanamte, and in the attack section they have Samboy Hayukip, and the not newcomer, but playing some first games in this season, Balwant Singh. So this will be the probable playing 11 from SC East Bengal. When we talk about the free kicks and corner, then free kicks will be taken by Ankit Mukherjee, corners will be taken by Angosana, and injury list is a bit long. That will be consisting of Franco Park, Tomislav Marcela, Daniel Chuku, Joyner Lorenzo, and then Darren Sidiol and Antonio Perosevic. So these players are unavailable for this match. When we talk about some important players from this team, then first of all, Semboy Hayukip will be a key player because of Daniel Chuku is not playing. So Semboy Hayukip, and then second one you can go for Angosana, as he has played some past few games, 2 or 3, and done a decent job giving a assist and some tackles, interception, and created some chances. So Angusana will be a key player, and then Hanamte, because he is also giving some tackles, interception, and some decent points so far. So these three will be a good, and then Balwant Singh. He has done some good job in the recent ISL seasons, like past ISL seasons, and now he has get a chance in this team. So definitely he'll be trying to prove his birth. So Balwant Singh will be a watch out player from SC East Bengal team. And when we talk about and then one more player, Jackie Chan Singh, he's in attacking midfield, and he has chances. There is a slight probability that he can score a goal and give some assist and all. And in the defense section, Hira Mondal will be a best defensive player from SC East Bengal till now. He has 34 clearances, 29 tackles, 23 interception, and 20 blocks on his name, and we are in just the mid of the ISL season. So Hira Mondal will be a key player from SC East Bengal defense, and then you can go for Arindam Bhattacharya as goalkeeper. So this is my detailing from SC East Bengal, and these are my key players that I told about. So these are my key players from SC East Bengal. Now let's come on to safe captain choices. Then we have Greg Stewart is the first priority captain choices. Second one you can go for Alex Lima. Third one you can go for some differential and some risky pick, that will be Howkeep. And in the Grand League captain options you can go for Balwant and Jackie Chan Singh, and don't miss out to try these players in the Grand League, because so I have this team, and this team is completely in favor of Jamshedpur FC. The goalkeeper will be TP Rahinesh, and then two defense players from Jamshedpur FC, that will be Ricky Lalo Mama and Peter Hartley, and Adil Khan from SC East Bengal. Then we have Alex Lima in the midfield section, Jackie Chan Singh, Boris Singh, and then we have Angusana. So I picked Angusana over Hanamte. So if you want to go safe, then you can go for Hanamte in the place of Angusana. So in the forward section, I have picked Howkeep, Greg Stewart, Jordan Murray, and I have picked two strikers from Jamshedpur FC, because I am favoring Jamshedpur FC to win this match. If you are favoring for SC East Bengal, or you are hoping a draw, then you can go for Balwant Singh in place of Jordan Murray if he is playing. So this is my team as of now. When we talk about the Grand League, small league captain, vice captain options, then Greg Stewart will be a good option for captain. Vice captain will be Alex Lima, Jordan Murray, and Sembo Howkeep. So these three are the vice captain options. Greg Stewart alone will be a safe captain option for small league. So this is my team as of now, and thanks for watching my preview. And if you like it, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe also and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss a video. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, Fantasy Fundas by Karthik. You will get some helpful and some informative content on that, and don't miss to join our Dream Loan group also. The link is in the description, so you can't miss them. And thanks for watching my preview again, and all the best for today's match. See you in the next.